Cherry and apricot scones. For this I'm using 50 grams of chopped glacé cherries, 50 grams of chopped dried apricots, 450 grams of self-raising flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, 100 grams of golden granulated sugar, 100 grams of butter, and half a pint of milk. Sift the salt, the baking powder, and the mixed spice into a bowl of the flour. Now stir in the sugar. Rub in the butter until it resembles fine breadcrumbs. Fine breadcrumbs. Now stir in the apricots and the cherries. Cherries. Make a well in the centre and mix in most of the milk with a round bladed knife. I've got about that much milk left. Put the dough onto a floured board and roll out to about 1 inch 25mm thickness. Lightly knead until smooth. Cut into rounds with a 2.5 inch scone cutter and place onto a greased baking tray. Off. Brush the tops with milk. Bake for 15 minutes at gas mark 7, 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 200 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. This is what the insides look like. Let's try one with a bit of butter. Delightful. Success again.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.